Cookie's herding the puppies. She nudges them with her nose and says, back this way. She comes over here to see the straggler. So what are you doing over here? She says, it's kind of hard to nudge you over here. Can I nudge the blanket? No? Okay, I'm going to nudge you in that direction, though. Obsidian doesn't like it. Obsidian wants to nurse. Obsidian's gonna try to nurse on Cookie. There goes Obsidian to be with his... Oh, hey, Caramel! Yeah, Caramel's gonna be the tricky one. I can tell that right now. Caramel and Obsidian. Caramel and Oliver. Where are you going? Come over here. You're being a good girl, Sally. Yeah, you're being a good girl. You're being a good girl, yeah. He's a mom dog. He's a mom dog.